Hello students, now we'll see example 1 on FA. That is construction of FA. What are the strings the FA is accepting that we'll observe? Example 1, suppose let me take Q naught. So Q naught on B, Q naught on A, Q1, Q1 on B, Q naught, Q1 on A, Q2. Q2 is the final state and Q2 on A comma B self loop only. So this FA is the question is that which of the following strings are accepted by FA? Which of the following strings are accepted by FA? One is AB, second one is BA, third one is third one already. Third one is ABA, and fourth one is BAB, and fifth one is AAB, sixth one is BAA, and seventh one is AB, and I will take eighth one also. Eighth one is what? AABA, and ninth one is BAAB, and tenth string, understand, AAB. These are the strings are there. Which of the following strings are accepted by above FA? That is my question. Let me take different color for this. We will check. So first one is what? W equal to AB is there, whether this is accepted or rejected. So input tape containing A and B, correct or not? We have to scanning from left to right, left to right. A. So Q naught on A, tell me all of you, you can think Q naught on A, where it is going, you can see a diagram. Q naught on A, it is going to Q1. Now next you have to read it, next symbol, Q1 on B, it is going to be Q naught. So string is processing override. So where we reached after end of the string, where we reached? Q naught. Q naught is non-final state. So non-final state is nothing but it is rejected. This is rejected. So I'm making cancel like this, rejected. So take it second one, W equal to BA. W equal to BA. That will accept or not, you have to see. Same. So input type is containing B and A. Input type contains string. The string two symbols are there. Now I have to start with, like as I mentioned, how to check the acceptance. Start the string with initial state, and that must reach to any one of the final state. Then we can say accept. Otherwise, reject. Q naught on B, Q naught only. Now Q naught on A, Q1 only. See. So Q1 is final or non-final? This is non-final state. So again it is rejected. Yes or no? Again it is rejected. Suppose if I take this is rejected. Now similarly you can check 3 and 4, 5 up to 10, and let me check third one. What is third one? A, B, A. Directly I will write. So now see Q naught on A, Q naught on A, Q1, Q1 on B, Q1 on B, Q naught, again Q naught on A, Q naught on A, Q1. So it is non-final state, it is rejected. So what about fourth one? Fourth one is BAB. So Q naught on B, it is going to be Q naught only. Again Q naught on A, Q1, Q1 on B, again Q naught only. So Q naught is non-final state, it is rejected. Correct. So similarly we need to check fifth one, AAB. You can say AAB, it will accept or not. So let me check. So you can see fifth one, W equal to AAB is there. So input tape is containing A, B. You have to start scaling from A. So Q naught on A, tell me where it is going. Q naught on A, Q1. Correct. Q1 on A, second symbol A. It is going to be Q2. Yes or no? Q2. See, you can say Q2. Now Q2 on B, where it is going? Q2 on B, it is going to be Q2 only. See, Q2 on B, it is self loop Q2 only. That you understand. So now look this. So Q end of the string we reach to Q2. Q2 is final state. So then I can say this is accepted. So I'm writing this is accepted. Fifth one is accepted. What about sixth one? So look the sixth one, W equal to BAA, yes or no? So now input type is containing the string, that is BAA, the symbols. Now it starts scanning from initial like B. So Q0 on B, Q0 on B, where it is going? Q0 only. You can see Q0 on B, Q0 on B, Q0 only. Now Q0 on A, where it is going? Q1. Q1 on A, where it is going? Q2. See, Q2 is the final state. Then I can say this is also accepted. So sixth one is accepted. Similarly, you can tell AB, AB. See, AB, AB, AB. So it will reject. Yes or no? See, if direct Q0 on A, Q1, Q1 on B, Q0, Q0 on A, Q1, Q0 on B, Q1 on B, Q0. So rejected. This one, eighth one will accept or not? Eighth one. See, Q0 on a first one, Q0 on A, Q1. Correct? It will go Q1. Q1 on A, Q2. Yes, we reached Q2. Q2 on B, Q2 only. Q2 on A, Q2 only. So this will accept. So BAA, B. So Q0 on B, Q0. Q0 on A, Q1. Q1 on A, Q2. Q2 on B, Q2 only. It is also accept. This one AB, AAB. Q0 on A, Q1. Q0 on A, Q1. Q1 on B, it is Q0. Again Q0 on A, Q1. Q1 on A, Q2. Q2 on B, Q2 only. It will accept. So what are the strings are accepted? Fifth one, sixth one, eighth one, ninth and tenth. This all accept. Remaining strings are rejected by the given taken FA. Are you getting? So this way we can check, we can think that this how the strings are accepted, how the strings are rejected. So overall conclusion, very simple. So we will construct the FA for our requirement, but I've taken one of the FA and how the strings are accepted, how the strings are rejected, that we have learned with this example. So later we will observe a few points, then we can start FA for construction with our requirements of languages. Okay, thank you so much.